until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of reducing a tornado was located over Tanawa, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and top dollar-size hail. This is an indicated mass rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations of
Sorry, what was that? Okay, I'm guessing we do this 15 miles to 35, but it's about 35 down to Ardmore. The way the road slopes away and the way the front is sloping back, you're going to get hit by a really, really bad part of it, and we'll have a little bit of time to kind of eat when we get there. Right, we're off. Right. On a high risk, right, those warnings are coming through every minute on different tornadic supercells.
Yeah, it was really hard to hear narrative with all the heavy rain coming down, maybe some small hail in there, of course, and some very gusty winds as well. So Meredith,
might not be able to take them off
the road. So again,
will later.
we're near
Hello, we're back to the flight. Try and find me.
I-35.
Camera case is somewhere in the boot.
I don't go anywhere right now.
Hey, the only way you were seeing this tornado was this way.
How close is that?
Yeah, you got hit by it.
Anywhere in this, near,
There, that's it.
Yeah.
No.
Windshield, please.
So let's go in over here. We need to get back to this
Windshield, right.
Wow.
Okay, just keep going.
So what you're saying right here, this is Shawnee.
Get in front of here. Just move slowly around here. Brakes flying in front of us. Yes, I know.
Let's go.
Yeah.
No, look at the RFD.
Where's the RFD?
Sweeping it.
Slow down.
That's it.
Stop. Right there.
Okay, so let's do this one.
There it is.
Down here.
Stop. Stop. Oh, I'll stop.
Okay, let's go down there first. So northeastern county.
Just easy does it. Oh, stop it. Stop it. Don't.
Well, I followed this woman. She's done a few videos before this.
Stephen Jones, yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I know. If we meet him, we've met him last year, didn't we, Tom? Stephen?
Yeah.
Good chaser. Very, very reckless.
Well, she's always going mad at him, isn't she?
He's not with her anymore, isn't he?
Okay, power lines down. Relax. Everybody relax.
I'm relaxed.
You're right.
Wow, look at that. Oh, that's
We're good. We are good.
Not going nowhere near him.
We are good.
It's going left to right.
yeah.
He's going to get the RFD now. What's the RFD?
Okay, now creep up.
Oh, nice.
Okay. You're good. Keep going. Keep creeping up. Keep creeping up. Keep going.
Yeah, you can't really do that safely, can you, when it's raining?
Keep going. Large violent tornado. Keep going.
He's on the west side of that, actually. Look, there's the hail up there. That's why you couldn't see it. Look. Okay, hail. RFD, see it?
Yeah.
See the RFD come through?
Yep. Wow.
Is that two tornadoes on the ground?
No, one.
Well, that behind us was all the rain from going through and the hail. So pop the buzzing like that picture.